Hello everyone, welcome to TechieQA channel. In this video we are going to see how to create our own Macaca script. So last video we have seen the sample script, how to run our sample script. So see there are four test cases, so it will be confusion for you. So what is required, what is not required. So what I'm planning to do, let me create a new test case by us. So I'm creating new folder called functional test. Okay, in this I will create a new file called my google.test.js, just telling to the editor or runner it's a test file. So from the sample we need this macaca wd import WebDriver. Okay, so once this is done, then we can directly create a describe in the sense test suite. Okay, and we need promise chain remote, so to connect with macaca server, and we need to init the driver as well. So what I'm planning to do, I will just copy this string. Okay, out of this I may not require it. So 3456 is my default port number for macaca, so I will use 3456 here. As of now I need only two parameters, platform and the browser. So browser I want to use Chrome. Okay, so I don't want to set any window size. Okay, so before test start, test script start, we have to init the driver. So driver will connect with the server of localhost 13456. This is for macaca server. Now we can start. So let me change this, something like Google test. Okay, so I can close this. Inside I am creating one more test script, describe. So what is the test script name? Like Google search, something like that. So inside describe I will create one test case. The test case name Google test 1. Here we'll use return driver dot get. So simple get we have to use. Get maybe http google.com. So what I'm expecting, let me run and check like how it is. So I'm already located into sample node.js project, macaca run -d. So I have created my channel like a directory called functional test. Oh, I have created inside macaca test, functional test, then my Google test. So we have just written script for launching the google.com. Let's see. Yeah, that's it. So we are able to launch the google.com. So let me do some actions, something like click and send keys, how to do. So that also I can explain. So inspect element for this queue, I have a name, I think so. For this, yeah, ID also there, and somewhere I can see name also. Yeah, name is equal to queue. Okay, so go to script dot element by name, sorry, q, send keys of, so what I want to enter, macaca, then dot. So we have to start with like dot because it's a chained process. So instead of element by name, I can use CSS selector. Okay, let's find a CSS selector for this button. So you guys should have knowledge on locator finding as well. Okay, so now I have written a script. Go to google.com, enter macaca into search box, click on Google search button. Let's see. So let me close my, okay, now I am running again. So once this is done, I think we are good to go with other things. Google.com, macaca, yeah, cool, I'm able to run. So now I want to assert something. So what I can assert, maybe some element is exist or not, that also I can do. So that what I can check. So for that purpose I have to assert. I have to import assert. Require of assert. So after click on search button, what you have to do then, maybe you can search some text. Okay, assert dot true or assert dot okay also there. What I can do the source of that page, or what I will do, better title. So instead of doing some text, we can do with title. So I have already fetched title here, asset dot equal. So my actual value I will pass it here. Okay, there is some spelling error. So my expected value I have to put it here. Then failure messages, failed, something like failed to assert title, something like we can give some title. So what will be the title if we search Macaca Google search? So what we can do, just go to inspect and we can copy from inspect element. So just search where is the title is, body, head, head you can get it, Macaca Google search, copy and paste it here. Okay, if you want to print what the value is coming from the script, what you can do, you can put console.log values. Okay, when you're doing this, you can print the value of this title in the console. Okay, let me run it. Yes, Google is launched. Google, then it should enter the value macaca, then it click search button. Okay, so we are asserting the title. Fine, yeah, see, it's printed title as well, macaca Google search. Okay guys, I think we have covered a basic script with assertions. So you guys have understood how to add assertions. Before you use assert, you have to import the assert model. Then we have seen how to use element by name, element by CSS selector, and send keys, as well as fetching the title and click on some button. So this is the basic structure of Macaca. So the like root test suite as the before and before method. Like there we will need driver and we will start the server, Macaca server, before start test. Then we'll create an actual test suite with one test. So return driver, go to URL. So this is the basic script. Okay guys, so if you have any issue with running, or if you face any issue with Chrome driver or something else, please add into comments. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.